morning.
Good morning.
We are at Tokyo DisneySea.
Yep, Tokyo DisneySea.
Yay! We are officially walking through the entrance of DisneySea. Yay! Goofy did not want to give me a hug, but I strategically placed myself so he had to. All the Christmas decorations. There's a boat ride. Look how pretty it is here. We're waiting to get on the steamboat.
It's a beautiful place.
We're on the steamboat.
ここはメディテレーニアンハーバー。てるのは大航海時代の三軒形の港、エクスプローラーズランディング。豪華客船が立ち寄る国際的な港です。
New York, yeah, part of the city of New York. I'll go in there. That's pretty neat.
工夫されているんですよ。
There's the boat we were on.
There's the boat. Too cheap.
Fancy, fancy.
Okay, my stay there a minute there. Might come by.
That's fine.
Walk over like that.
This is the suspension bridge here.
Yeah. Although it's not, because it's solid. It's not.
I think it's solid. It's a solid suspension bridge.
Yeah, so it has a look of suspension.
Gotta find the railing.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, ooh.
Look at that, honey. That's pretty neat.
Yeah. Oh, it's up there.
Yep. Oh, something's up there. Cars up there. Cars all here. Water's here. Yeah. Okay, I'll turn it around and get together. Here we are at the Temple of Doom.
Temple of Doom.
Whole place is on fire.
Oh no. Gonna go on the roller coaster?
Go see.
I will not be going on this one. 360-degree loop. We're going on the single rider line for Tim. I am not getting on this ride. We're going on the single rider line for Tim. I am not getting on this ride. My little brain cannot process this quick enough to know what I'm seeing. And therefore I get dizzy. And a little motion sick. So I am not riding these crazy rides. I don't know if he's on there, I can't see. Whoa! Here they come again. Here they come again. ride. There it is.
A mist.
It's a mist. Look at the line for the food. Isn't that crazy? For sausage rolls.
$3.84 for one chicken leg.
And look how popular it is. Like, we are in the lane for 160 minutes.
For Peter Pan.
For Peter Pan!
Yeah. Oh well, gotta wait for some of these.
160
And you can ride
minutes.
this one, honey, so.
It's like 2 hours, 2.5 hours.
Oh wow.
Wow. It's gonna be awesome. Look how fast we're moving.
Look how fast we're moving.
Actually, I wonder how hard we're gonna walk.
We have Peter Pan, and then we have Ursula,
Over there somewhere?
and then and over here we have Ariel in the rocks. All in the rocks.
Oh, they're hidden.
So
We made it into the entrance.
yeah, we're in the entrance. We only got 100 minutes to go.
Yay!
That's not the same as everything else. Crazy, honey.
We're getting so much closer.
Closer every minute.
Peter Pan. We made it inside.
Pretty neat.
Close to getting on the ride.
Yep.
The bear's sleeping. It's a cloud. It's a boat. Look how lush and green this island is that the Lost Boys live on. Smile. Tim's ready to move in. That could be your new house, honey.
I could have one.
There's another tree. It's a jungle in here. That tree house has electricity. There's a little bridge there. Now you're on the inside.
On the inside of the ride.
The belly of the
Still have
beast.
Probably 20 more minutes to get there.
What did you get, Tim?
A shrimp burger.
Fries and a drink.
Mm-hmm.
And I got a hamburger. Huge hamburger, actually. Drinks and fries. And how much was it?
$2,980.
Like $23.
$2,980.
Yeah.
$19.
$19. That's not bad for a meal in Disney. Tim's sailing the boat. Sailing the ship. Where are you taking us to, honey?
Nowhere, Neverland.
Neverland? Yay! From the Neverland now. That's where Tim was taking us. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. This is a crazy long line to see that ride, though. It just goes and goes. It's gotta be after over 2 hours. So many people waiting in line. Hopefully later tonight we can come back. The flying carpet ride is not running.
Nope, not today.
Tim is crying.
Aww.
So
It's
sad.
gonna be so fun.
We're in the Storybook Adventure line. Fast already. I'm moving pretty quickly right now. No flash photography.
I've thought of it.
Look, somebody has lots of bananas. It's overloaded with bananas.
The fire up here. How the camels go?
Lots of goods.
Going backwards now. We are going to leave this country, so I've got to get a small video. Smile. Look, I think we're in Taj Mahal.
Yeah.
Are we in it? Because I can't see it.
Yep.
Look at that, we're in DisneySea.
DisneySea. It's very nice here.
We're going
Very
to 2,000 Leagues Under the Sea now.
Yep.
We hope.
See you there.
Are we headed inside? Wow. Headed down.
Yep.
2,000 leagues.
きっと見落としていることが何かあるに違いない。皆さん。まもなく非常進したこの海には高度な進化を遂げた知的生命体が存在するかもしれない。まもなく限界集団です。このままでは潜水艇が危険です。何かに襲われているに違いない。撃退しろ。船長、潜水。
Oh, wow.
どうだ、浮上させられるか。ダメです。僕だけ現象だ。
Where are you going, honey?
To the center of the earth.
And I'm not going with you.
No, you're not brave enough.
I'm not brave enough. Have a good time traveling to the center of the universe.
My wife's leaving me again. Your 6-year-old is more brave than my wife.
We're in front of the castle.
Yep.
And Tim rode the...
What? Train to the center of the earth.
That's it. And it was a fabulous roller coaster, he said.
That's not really a castle, but close enough.
It's close enough to a castle. It's all lit up.
Let's go ahead.
Basically a relaxing boat ride. Oh, there's his horse.
Probably could have gotten an American meal.
It's the Christmas tree. The village store. All ready for Christmas.
And that's all this is, just one ride in that line. We did that ride, I can see on the inside, so.
願いは必ず叶うのね。
そうやろ、下におもろう。